What's up, guys? Today we have a 2000 Chevy Blazer, and we're gonna be replacing the water pump. I'm gonna show you how to take the fan off of it, how to remove the water pump. As of right now, we're gonna remove this cover, just half of it. It's just removing some bolts over here, and there's like a couple more down there on the other side too. After that, after we remove this cover right here, we're gonna try to remove the fan. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, we got the cover off of it. The fan is loose. See, pretty simple. I took one of these, just put it in there, and then grab your hammer and just hit it hard this way. It's just like a normal screw. You do left, it loose. You do right, it gets tighter. Okay, so we just do this. Take this thing off of it, and then we can take the bell off. We can do this too, like to get the bell and these bolts to remove the pulley. And I'm gonna show you the bolts for the water pump. Okay, I got the fan off of it. I can really lose the clamps for the hoses. There's three. There's a big one down there. It's a little one over here and another one over here. This one you can even loose it from here, or you can pull this clamp over here. I'm gonna pull those hoses off of it, and after that I can tell you where's the other bolts for the water pump. Well, you can see them. There's two right here, and two more somewhere over here. Right? Okay, the water pump is loose. We need to get it out. Like this. There's your four bolts, two over here, two over here. We put these two hoses back. These little hose back in the other and the new one right here. I just do everything in reverse. Put the water pump, the bolts, and make sure you clean the little gaskets over here. Clean that and put some silicone, or you can just buy the gaskets for it. Put everything back in place, and it's good to go. Any questions, let me know. Comment, subscribe. Alright, thank you guys. Here's the new pump. I already put it in with the hoses right here. Two bolts over here, two bolts over here, and make sure you put the gaskets and you clean that area on the block. Now you just need to put the pulley, the fan, and the cover, and the valve, and that's it. Alright guys, bye.